Previously we have unboxed Funko Diecast 1, 2, 3. Watch it after this video. Today, we are unboxing Funko Diecast 4, Wonder Woman. The package stickers say WW, Wonder Woman with shield diecast with chase. Does this Wonder Woman comes with chase? If you are a collector like us, please leave in the comment, are there chase for this Wonder Woman or is it a typo error? Let's move on to unbox this Wonder Woman. Very impressed that the Funko Pop is well protected by the thick gray foam and nicely wrapped with the white tissue wrapping paper. This is the fourth Diecast Funko exclusive. More protection provided. Packed in a box with protective foam to prevent the acrylic case from cracking. The acrylic case is in good condition. No scratches found. Let's check out the figurine. What a beautiful Wonder Woman. Funko added a protective foam for the sword. The figurine includes her sword, lasso weapon, amazing outfit, and a metal shield. It is heavy. Let's check the weight shortly. There is some stains on the elevated base. Using an alcohol wipe to remove it. Watch till the end to find out if this Funko Pop can fit into a pop protector. It can be inserted and securely lock the pop on the elevated base. This will prevent the Funko Pop from slipping off. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. The Wonder Woman weighs 570 grams. This Wonder Woman is heavier than the three other diecast, which we have unboxed in the previous episode. Here's our Funko UV Pop Protector. If this protector can fit this Wonder Woman Funko Pop, then the Funko Pop can be dust-free and save storage space as it is stackable. Let's find out. As the case cannot be locked, we will remove the case and gently place the figurine with the base into the protector. Yes, it can fit into a Funko UV protector. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you like our unboxing. Till then, happy toy collecting.